Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So here I have one of my Echeveria. It's called as Echeveria Manuel. So I will be doing a repotting. It has been overdue for a very long time, so I thought that I'll be doing a repotting. You can see it's kind of getting congested and it is not able to grow, and I thought I will take it out from the soil. It's going to be little tricky to get it out, so I'll have to use some help of the tools and take it out. It's very heavy at this point of time because it has been in this for a very long time, so I thought I might as well do a repotting. You can see the amount of roots, and you can see now I happen to kind of damage one of the leaf. It happened to break. This leaf unfortunately won't be able to produce any pups because you can see it's broken half. Unfortunately, this is what happens when plants are being repotted. So I have another pot which is already filled half with soil, so I'm just going to place it in this. Don't need this anymore, and I'm going to put a little bit more of the soil and I'm going to place it because I want her to be quite above the soil at this point of time, because you can see the lower leaves, they are all crooked and bending because this portion was beneath the soil. It was not getting a lot of light, and that's why the leaves are starting to point downwards and the upper leaves are pointing upwards, which is an indication that the succulent is lacking light. So let me fill a little bit of more soil and plant it into the pot. So now she's all above the soil. Hopefully she will recover soon. I will be keeping her in indirect bright light because we have just done repotting, so I cannot expose it to direct sunlight. Sorry, it's a little bit dark because it's already evening and during winters and it gets dark easily. By this time I usually tend to make a lot of my videos, but today it's getting quite dark. Let me on the flash. So this is the issue with flash. When you tend to use flash, the farina on the succulent tends to reflect back and it becomes a little difficult, and you can see I have disturbed some farina. As you can see, the moment I on the flash, the succulent is not very visible because it has a lot of farina and that light is flashing back. That is exactly what tends to happen when there is a lot of sunlight. UV rays are reflected back. So I am running out of battery as well, so the flash has gone off. But any which ways, you might have got an idea. This is all the farina that has got rubbed off while repotting, which is a very normal thing because the succulent was very deep into the pot, so it was little difficult to take it out. If this farina is little bit disturbed, it's absolutely okay. Overall, the succulent has a good amount of farina. Now all I have to do is just keep it in indirect bright light and then do a slow introduction to morning direct sunlight because it is definitely lacking a lot of light. You can see the lower leaves are pointing downwards, upper leaves are pointing upwards, which is an indication that the succulent is lacking light. The succulent is little unstable because we have just potted it. It will take another month or so for it to completely get settled down in this pot. So until then, the succulent is going to be kept in indirect bright light. I'm not going to be watering it right away. The succulent is well hydrated, so I'll wait for another week or so, and as and when the wrinkles appear on the leaves. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.